Hey y'all, long time no see. We're going to start this video off right. This is another wig install. I did a little wig revamp on this old wig, okay? That's why the lace looks the way that it is, because it's dyed blue. It's crusty, it's a couple years old, but I was like, let me go ahead and put this wig to use one more time before we get rid of her, okay? So we're going in. I want to do like a fringe edgy kind of look, so y'all will see what we get into. But I'm using the Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive. Of course, y'all know I love my girl Erica J down, okay? So just vibe out with me. Let's get into this install. We actually doing 2 styles in one today, so let's get into it. And even though this wig is old and the lace is messed up, I still got it looking good. Still got that lace melted. It's a little bit of demarcation, but that's because, like I said, the lace is dyed. So now we're going to get into the fringe part where I go ahead and cut the bangs, add the layers, all that good stuff. So let's get into the styling.
Pillowcase, big girls, I'll get a little taste out. Pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you. I will care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Trying to run from that, say you're done with that. On your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry. You won't ever have to hide. And you've seen all my mistakes, so look me in my eyes.
'Cause if you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. I've loved and I've lost.
Yeah. It's my birthday, I get if I want to. Can't deny that I want you, but I lie if I have to. 'Cause you don't say you love me to your friends when they ask you. Even though we both know that you do, you do. One time been in love, one time you and all your girls in the club, one time. Also convinced that you're following your heart, 'cause your mind on patrol, what it does sometimes. We all have our needs though. Don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours. We both know, we know.
Persian rugs, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? look like I don't wanna change. I can see your eyes, you feel. And you feel it, baby, can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel it, baby? Kissing you here, fucking you right, loving you there, loving you right. Fuck with a pro. Come baby, fuck with a
Now that's how you do it right there. This is giving everything that I was looking for. The edginess, the little grunge type effect. So now we're going to jump into style 2. This was the cute little viral headband. Mind you, this video is old. I recorded this video when the viral headband thing was going around, like going viral for the first time. So this is me doing that, and we're just going to finish this second look out.
It doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you not think so far ahead? Do you not? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Do you not think so far ahead? Do you not? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. No, I don't like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house I could sell you in Idaho. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it, though I'm lying down thinking about you. Ooh, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You, no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Do you think about this? Do you not think so far ahead? Do you not? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Do you not think so far ahead? Do you not?
This came out really easy and super cute. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and make sure you head to my website to see all the wigs and get all your wig needs.